everybody, my name is Brett, and you guys are at Printed Threads. This is a company that my wife and I started back in 2010, so it's been a few years. We relocated to this building in 2020 and loved the space because of this big open room that we can do all kinds of events and fun activities in. And over the last several months or year, we've been talking about putting together something like this, where we get to bring in an intimate crowd and have a great singer-songwriter come in, and we record it and just have an overall good time. So what we do at Printed Threads is we make custom apparel, and so every one of you walked in and grabbed a shirt. Hopefully that is your size that we printed for the event, and also a screen printed poster. And we want you to have those to commemorate this great evening. But also, since we have a bar over there, we reached out to the artist and asked what kind of cocktails would you like at the bar? And that artist said, anything tequila or related. And so that's a good one. And of course, what kind of food would you like? And he said cheese. So in order to not just have cheese, we surrounded it with fruit, as you do. So this is our version of a Super Bowl party, actually. Yeah. So anyways, that's enough of me talking, really. But I do want to introduce the performer. His name is Chris Staples. And I have a very fond relation, what do you call it? Not the cheese. That's fondue. I'm very fond of this guy. Yeah. I didn't rehearse this. I should have rehearsed. But about 25 years ago, I made Chris Staples' acquaintance, and some years after that, traveled in a 15-passenger van across the country with him. And this was back before digital cameras, when you would have a film camera and take lots of pictures of all your great memories on the road, and then go develop the pictures and end up with some really wild shit in some of those pictures. And so anyways, I've got some stuff to incriminate him. If you guys ever need to blackmail him, just call me. We'll get it done. But over the years, he's created several different bands, from 238 to Discover America, and now for the last long while, soloist Chris Staples, as well as playing with legends like Jeremy Enoch and Telekinesis and all these other really great bands. But whenever I want to be cheered up, I listen to my good old friend Chris Staples and all of his lovely melodies. So please listen to him with me, and let's have a great night.
Thank you, Brett. Thanks to Printed Threads and Showroom Sounds for having me. Excited to play some songs tonight. One man dies on a park bench. One man dies on a yacht. One man dies on a business trip in a hotel parking lot. How can I say with without sounding too cliche, that I wanna live this day like it's my last. And these moments that we share dissolve into the air without warning or apology. They pass, yeah, they pass. Some men wanna be remembered long, long after they're gone. Even though I know that is ridiculous, I wouldn't mind being thought of time to time. How can I say without sounding too cliche that I wanna live this day like it's my last? And these moments that we share dissolve into the air without warning or apology. They pass, yeah, they pass. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys doing okay? Yeah. Doing good? Cool. Feel like I gotta be extra nice now. Don't want you to blackmail me. This is a song called Cheap Shades. Mom went into labor in the middle of the night. Had my dad worried, but I came alright. And his cold hand trembled as he cut the cord. And he drove us both home in a beat up Ford. But nobody asked me, nobody asked me. They sprinkle water on my baby head. They made some claims about the dead. Repeated words that the ancients said. They drank some wine, they broke some bread. But nobody asked me, nobody asked me. The morning sun is gonna wake me up from the garden, gonna bake me. Fast talker gonna take me anymore. The morning sun is gonna wake me up from the garden, gonna bake me. Fast talker gonna take me anymore. I used to be a sharp young thing, had a bell waiting for a ring. She was just a stop along my way, an umbrella for my rainy day. Well, always my boots, pouring glass of wine. I turned the day over in my mind. Was it just a stop along her way? Some cheap shades for a sunny day. The morning sun is gonna wake me up from the garden, gonna bake me. A fast talker gonna take me anymore. The morning sun is gonna wake me up from the garden, gonna bake me. A fast talker gonna take me anymore. Thank you so much. Do any of you guys write songs at all for fun or otherwise? We got one back there, a couple back there, cool. If you write a song that you really like and you want people to hear it, just name it something that's like already famous, because copyright law allows that in songwriting. I don't know why, but that's true. People will find your song and they'll go, this is not what I was looking for. This is not the same song, but it's not bad though. This song is called Always on My Mind. So much water underneath the bridge. Seems like only yesterday we were only kids. Funny how some little thing can just take you back. Some perfume, a pop song, a penguin paperback. You're always on my mind, always on my mind. Even after all this time, you're always on my mind. I didn't know you then. How could I know you now? I cannot trust my memory. It won't let go of you somehow. You're always on my mind, always on my mind. Even after all this time, you're always on my mind. And after all this time, you're always on my mind. Thank you. Thank you so much. I wonder if we'll still be together several years down the line. How could I know? You can't know either. This could be an accident or relatively permanent. But either way, I'm gonna stay and love you for another day. Ooh, ooh, ah, how lucky can two people get? Hand in hand, side by side. A coincidence we even met. This could be an accident, a relatively permanent. But either way, I'm gonna stay and love you for another day. Ooh, ooh, ah. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys doing okay? Doing good? Cool, cool. Yeah, Brett used to sell merch and help me with our merchandising in my old band, my old emo band, and emo, yeah. Heck yeah. And he had just started screen printing shirts in his garage, I think, at that time. Or maybe I'm making up the garage part, but anyway, he was, just getting it off the ground, and so he's really taken it a long way. I'm just rambling. I don't know. I probably have lots of embarrassing things that I could share, but I just don't remember any of them, Brett. So you're lucky in that way. This next song is a special request. I was gonna play it anyway, but if you guys know this song, you should sing it along, and don't feel shy about it. the only way that I can. I'm just replacing a man that came before me, and one day the world is gonna see another man replacing me. That's just the way it's gotta be. It's always been that way. On the dark side of the moon, on the dark side of the moon, I wanna love you, I wanna pass it on, I wanna give and give till it's all gone. I wanna know you while we have the time, 'cause that's all I got to leave behind. I wanna love you, I wanna pass it on, I wanna give and give till it's all gone. I wanna know you while we have the time, 'cause that's all I got to leave behind. On the dark side of the moon, on the dark side of the moon. And when you stumble, they look the other way. And when you're riding high, oh Lord, when you're riding high, they don't expect you to stay. I wanna love you, I wanna pass it on, I wanna give and give till it's all gone. I wanna know you while we have the time, 'cause that's all I got to leave behind. I wanna love you, I wanna pass it on, I wanna give and give till it's all gone. I wanna know you while we have the time, 'cause that's all I got to leave behind. On the dark side of the moon, on the dark side of the moon. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There's like 6 empty chairs up front if anyone is interested in. They're very comfortable chairs. You don't have to feel shy. This is kind of a newer song. Hey, there you go, buddy. Nice. This is a new song. I have a record that came out this past summer called Cloud Souvenirs, and this is the first track on it. It's called Nasty Habit. Take that again. This darkness knew my name, calling out for me when it came. Maybe it's that time of year. I know I don't deserve I got this way, I wanna let it go. I know a place where the weirdos go. I show my face, I'll be okay. Hey, hey, I got this way, I wanna let it go. I know a place where the weirdos go. I show my face, I'll be okay. Hey, 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 hey. I used to do it for a good time. Now I can't live without it. Nobody seems to notice. I got this nasty habit. Thank you so much. This is another new one called Do Whatever I Want. Hell yeah. At first it was nothing, and then it all came out. I wasn't so sure at first, and then there was no doubt. There was a time when I could change your mind, but I could do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want now. I can still remember when we first arrived, young and angry, desperate to survive. The city climbed like a vine onto the sky, turning into something I did not recognize. There was a time when I thought it could be mine, but I could do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want now. Soft rain, rented loft. We had the magic, but the spell wore off. There was a time when our love was blind, but I could do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want now. Do whatever I want. Thank you. This next song is a song about growing up in a small town that kind of sucks. And it's like, you move away, but it's always kind of in the back of your mind a little bit. At least it is for me. This song is called Souvenir. Dad taught me how to work hard. Hot summer in a lumber yard. I turned a wrench on my first car. Picked out some chords on the guitar. I was afraid I'd be erased if I didn't leave this place. I think about it nearly every day. It's burned on my brain like a fireplace. A thick film on everything, the residue of memory. Storefronts, hotels, everything reminds me of something else. Baseball diamonds, waterfront parks, cemeteries after dark, quiet places with no name, where long shadows remain. Homes we lived in covered in vine, all the things we left behind. Boxes stuffed with souvenirs. What is gone is all still here. 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 Thank you. You guys feeling good? Anything on your mind that you want to share with a group of people that you don't know? Oh, I thought it would be a really cool prank, because most of you probably have never been here before, to just be like, welcome to our church. We're gonna have a hour-long service, and we're gonna do some like weird ritual stuff that you've never seen before, and you're like, oh crap, we got tricked into coming to this place and we're never leaving. We would do that next time, Brett. That would go over well, I think. This song's called Take Your Time. to work out fine when I don't really try. I don't want anything but to do what I am here to do.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I'm going to do a couple more songs, and then we're going to hang out. There's no, you don't have to leave. That sounded weird. I said it strangely. You don't have to leave. We're going to hang out. I've got some records back there for sale if you're interested in some of my merch. And there's still free food and drinks. And thanks so much to Brett and the Printed Threads and Showroom Sounds crew for putting this together. I don't know if there's like an email list or something people can get on if you guys want to come back. I think you guys have some more things planned. Have you announced your next show yet, Brett or Alan? Yes? All right. Oh. You don't want to spill the beans on camera? March 17th. And do you know who's playing? Austin Lucas, March 17th. You guys should come. Cool. This is a song I wrote during the pandemic. Thank you. This is my last song. It's called Walking with a Stranger. Thanks again, you guys, for coming out. Appreciate you. Check this tuning. Well, it sure took forever, but the summer finally came. Felt like walking with a stranger, didn't even know her name. Pretty soon I'd grow accustomed to her warm and sunny way. Pretty soon I would forget about those frigid winter days. If you just stay true, some good things are coming back to you. If you just stay true, some good things are coming back to you. And death crept in so quiet, it didn't even make a sound. As far as I could see, were dead leaves laying on the ground. Pretty soon I feel a cold and hollow feeling in my heart. Pretty soon me and my sunny day would have to part. If you just stay true, some good things are coming back to you. If you just stay true, some good things are coming back to you. If you just stay true, some good things are coming back to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Chris.
Yeah. Could you play Coin Laundry Loser?
You can.
Okay. Thanks for coming out. This is Showroom Sounds at Printed Threads, and we do this monthly. So next month we have Austin Lucas. The month after that we have Will Johnson, and there will be many, many more great people after that. Every month our goal is to create a really unique experience, a special place to come listen to music, have some food, have some drinks, and just have a good time. And so we hope that even if you don't know who is playing, that you'll come show up, because I did not I did not know who Theo Lawrence was a couple months ago when he played, and it absolutely blew my mind. And so I have full trust in Alan, who works here and also works for Spoon and books these shows. So I believe that everyone that plays here will be really good, and I'm really excited for every experience. So thank you guys for being here. Follow along Showroom Sounds on Instagram, and we have a website, showroomsounds.com, and we'll be posting all this stuff. So hang out, have some drinks, talk to Chris, buy a record, tip your bartender, and we'll see you again real soon.